The evolution of mobile technology has provided an opportunity not only for operators, but for a wide range of companies across a number of different industries. From cars, manufacturing, healthcare and finance, the verticals are pushing harder than ever for a piece of the action.
If we want to play in the IoT arena, we have to embrace this technology. That means we're spreading out of the devices and we want to go directly to customers with IoT service, or we want to connect to clouds. So for this, the technology of choice is cellular technology.
Right now, for VR, AR, robotics, it is still very, very new. I mean, at its very early stage, everything is growing very fast. So a lot of chances for the companies like us and the company like Huawei.
Cellular network connectivity is of vital importance to the payments industry and to commerce in general. Speeds are of extreme importance, security of transactions. So I think in many ways the mobile industry, the payments industry, buyers and sellers are all connected at the hip.
The major challenge for IoT to overcome and to start this business, as we all seen it projected by analysts since years, the major challenge is to get all these ecosystems work together. So across all this broad IoT chain, we need to get all these companies to work together.
In B2B, probably we will need further development of verticals, a lot of work and partnering with other companies in other industries, and also a work of explaining and educating the industries that are going to adopt the connectivity.
So about how Huawei can contribute and help operators to succeed in vertical industries, we can provide three things. The first, end-to-end solutions, including chipset, module, infrastructure, even PaaS system. And also, we can help operators to develop new applications. Like Ken who has mentioned X Lab. In the X Lab, we can cooperate with both third parties, other industries, and also operators to find new possibilities for new applications. The third offer is to help operators to build an ecosystem. Vertical industries and also operators gather together to talk about the future possible cooperation and to discuss about the possible scope of work. So we can build ecosystem together.
In Huawei, there are many labs. The labs is built for or research or product, but X Lab is different. X Lab is service for our customers or partner. We want X Lab is we want a cooperation with our partner to find a new business.
A major vertical that is set to pounce on a new age of connectivity is robotics. Robots, used in various ways, are set to take centre stage through the Internet of Things and 5G. Here in Tokyo, we heard about how the rise of the robot is going to change the world we live in.
Today, SoftBank Robotics is trying to develop robots for a consumer market, robots that can assist people in their everyday life and provide the right service at the right moment. So far, we have been involved in trials of Pepper in a B2B application, especially in hypermarkets in France, but also you've probably seen in Japan in SoftBank shops and in Nescafe shops.
The growth of the market is going to really focus on specific applications where data collection is either too timely, too time intensive, too costly, or too dangerous. And we're seeing that in a wide variety of areas like cell tower inspection, where you want to be able to see what's happening on the top of a cell tower, but without having to send somebody all the way up to the top to inspect it. So this is a non-disruptive way of getting really valuable information about operations. And anywhere where that value is needed, drones have a role to play.
I think in 2025 we can hope that every family wants a robot. You don't have to have a robot, but if you want to have a robot, you can have one. And what we imagine is, for instance, you can have one humanoid robot who could be the interface with the digital world, and then many little robots like vacuum cleaner robot or glass cleaning robots, very dedicated robot for very specific tasks. And all together they are collaborating to help you in their everyday life.
As we've heard, a wide range of verticals have some big plans to utilise increasing connectivity and transform their industries. For the mobile sector, the opportunities to collaborate are endless. I'm Kavit Majithia from Mobile World Live.